Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up, how are you doing? How you doing? Okay guys, so this is going to be a DIY crop top video. This is what we're going to make. If you want to see how I did this quick and easy DIY, make sure that you continue to watch. If you are interested in baddie of all trades type of content, this is the place that you need to be, because on my channel you're going to see fashion, hair, makeup, nails, all of that good stuff. Baddie of all trades, period. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you hit that bell for notifications, so that anytime I upload a video you get notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's get into the DIY, you guys. Hey guys, so I'm gonna hop right in. This jean jacket is from the Gap. I can't even remember when I got it. I want to say I got this years ago, but I just still have it because it's just, you know, it just did what I needed to do. So before I'm even looking at you guys, I did try on the jean jacket and I figured I wanted it to go about 3 buttons down or 4 buttons down. I wasn't too sure, but I was like, you know what? I have a heavy chest. I want to do it and be smart about it. I don't want to have to cut. If it has to be shorter, then it can be shorter. And I was like, you know what? Let's go for the longer length. I'd rather it be all the way where I want it to be or too long, and then I go back and like figure it out later. You know what I mean? Okay. So what I'm just doing is pretty simple. This is one of the most simple DIYs that I'll probably ever do. All you have to do right now is just cut. Like, just cut straight across. I am speeding this up, but I'm really in real life cutting this super slow, taking my time, pulling the other end, which you can't see. I zoomed in so you can see closely what I'm doing. And you just want to make sure that you're cutting and it's as straight as you can possibly get it. Now, if you do make a mistake, okay, because you'll see the next step, which will save you if you make a little bit of a hiccup when it comes to your straight line of cutting your jean jacket. Okay, so once you're done cutting, you're just going to take that one piece. I just measured it to make sure that it will look nice. And I'm just literally cutting right above that bottom hem. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that when I glue or put this two together, the jean jacket will look complete. I won't have any like frayed ends or anything like that. It'll look like a completed jacket. So I'm just taking that bottom piece of this coat and just cutting straight along that line. You want to be careful because you don't want to cut the back pieces. Some pieces you'll see like I cut not unevenly, but in the back of it I got like a few of the hem, oh my gosh, what is it called, the seam pieces into it. So you're just cutting right across. Super simple. Like I said, this is super simple. Literally, you don't really need much for this craft, which is why I love it so much. Even so, I'm sorry if you guys hear a whole bunch of like sound effects in the background. I live in New York City, and let's just say it's always construction, so I don't know if you hear the beeping and the drilling and it's just a lot. It's just a lot. Okay, so once that's done, we're just gonna move that extra piece to the side, and I'm just gonna start measuring up the piece of the hem. I don't know words. I never know words. The piece of the hem, and then I'm just gonna fold it over. So I went and grabbed my E600 glue. Now this is the best glue that I usually use. You can also use a hot glue gun if you don't have the E6000. They work pretty much the same, but I find that the E6000 lasts longer. Especially when you're going to go ahead and wash it, it'll last longer. So that's why we're going to use that. And what I'm doing is I'm just going in little by little, and I'm going to meet up the hem with that bottom piece that I cut. And I want to do it in a way where it looks like it's straight across, so you can't tell that it's cut. You don't want it to be different lengths or going down higher, going up low, more. You just want it to look like it's supposed to look like that, basically. And I'm just going little by little. You want to make sure, I know they're right on top of each other, but if you can, like you're about to see me, like make sure that it's not stuck together, the back and the front, because that will be a problem. So just make sure that you're doing it right and you're taking your sweet time. I am definitely taking my time with this because you don't want to mess this up, because like you want to be able to wear this outside. Like you're not just doing this for like whatever. You want to be able to wear this outside. You see a little piece of like denim right there, these little pieces of denim, that's coming from the coat and also from where I cut the bottom piece. So like I said, just be careful. Okay, now right now, you can't see me too well, but what I'm doing is I'm actually making sure that none of the pieces are sliding, because if they start to slide, it's not going to look good and it's not going to look even. And I am like really wanting this to look even because I want it to be cute. So before the glue dries, you don't have to worry about it sticking to your hand for too long or your skin. It doesn't really stick to skin as like hot glue, crazy glue would, because hot glue also rubs right off, but this doesn't stick to your skin like that, so that's also a positive of that. Oh my gosh, look at all that denim I got on my rug. Oh my god. Child, just a bunch of denim. Denim flakes. Okay, so this is the last section. My camera actually cut off right after I like laid this down nice and neat, so you don't get to see it until I come back to the camera. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much how you get to the end result of this whole craft. You just let the E600 stay for like an hour or two and you'll be good. Guys, so I finished with the E600 glue. My camera did die, so you didn't get to see it laying on the ground finished, but this is how it looks. I should have put it on a hanger because it would be better for you to see. But this is essentially how the jacket looks. I'm actually very proud of this. This took me 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops, you guys. And that's just because I'm cutting, and I was cutting kind of slow because I wanted to make sure that it would fit. So I'm just going to throw it on. I do want to wash it, but I want the glue to stay a little bit on a little longer before I put any water to it. Should fit exactly how the jean jacket fit before, but now it's just cropped. You guys, dumb height. I now have a cropped jean jacket. And I bought so many other ones in like different colors. I have so many jean jackets now, and I was just like, this one I was gonna get rid of. Then I was like, you know what? I'm feeling this. What do you guys think about this? This is how it looks in the back. Nice and even. It looks super clean. It looks like I bought it like this. I actually love this kind of like tattered look of it. I love how close this part is with the buttons. I actually love it. It looks so good, you guys. And it's perfect for what I'm going to do. Of course, my boobs are a little bigger, so if you're heavy chested like me, it's just going to fit like your jean jacket, basically. So, but who closes a cropped jean jacket? You know what I mean? Like, who's doing that? Y'all, I'm feeling myself. I keep looking at the monitor because I'm like, cute or whatever. This is super cute. You can throw on some heels with this, some booties, or you could just keep it cute and just throw on some sneakers. Alright, you guys, let me know if there's any more DIYs that you want to see me post on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to join that Flower Gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. This video is going up on Friday. Happy Friday. And just so you know that on Sunday is when Halloween starts, 10/25 for my channel. I'm going to do 7 costumes. So a full week of costumes, Sunday to Saturday the 31st. I cannot wait for you guys to see what I have planned. I'm super excited. If you don't know, now you know. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, if not #1 favorite holiday. So I cannot wait to dress up for you guys. But don't forget to check out the next video. I'll see you guys on Sunday for Halloween. Bye.